Across Africa, a generation is rising. A generation refusing to inherit broken realities without challenging them. A generation daring to believe that leadership is not a privilege for the few, but a responsibility for all.
I am a leader today!
What began as thoughts carried quietly in the hearts of young people slowly became movements touching lives across communities. Young leaders stepped forward with courage, vision, and responsibility. This is the story of FLDC Cohort 5.
A story of leadership beyond theory, a story of action, and a story of impact. Across Nigeria, Uganda, Togo, Niger, and even the United Kingdom, one movement connected people with a shared conviction that leadership is not about titles, it is about service. At the Fourth Institute, leadership is not merely taught, it is cultivated. Leaders are identified, equipped, and activated. The goal is to raise problem solvers, builders, thinkers, visionaries, young people who are capable of transforming their communities from where they are. Africa is filled with potential, but potential alone is never enough. Communities continue to face challenges in education, healthcare, environmental sustainability, civic engagement, and infrastructure. And in the middle of these realities, one question remains. What happens when young people choose responsibility over indifference? FLDC Cohort 5 became an answer to that question.
In one cohort alone, 119 projects were executed across multiple countries. Each project carried a vision, a burden, a desire to solve a real problem. Together, these initiatives impacted over 8,596 beneficiaries. Not just numbers, people, children learning in classrooms, communities receiving support. Young minds are discovering possibilities, families experiencing hope.
The strongest focus emerged in education. A reflection of a deeper belief that transformed minds create transformed societies. Across schools, campuses, and communities, Fortifiers led mentorship programs, learning initiatives, leadership trainings, and educational outreaches designed to awaken potential. Because every child reached, every student inspired, and every mind empowered creates ripple effects far beyond a single moment. Beyond education, health and well-being became another mission field for service. In different communities, young leaders also confronted environmental challenges, cleanup campaigns, community engagement.
But behind every project, every statistic, and every achievement were people. 388 volunteers supported project implementation across different communities.
In total, more than 4,991 hours were invested in leadership in action.
This is more than a program, more than a cohort, more than a collection of projects. This is a movement.
The Fourth Institute. Identify, equip, and activate.